Beautiful tree, beautiful tree, beautiful sunset. Beautiful it all around. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful, guys. Just a beautiful day. All right. It's just a beautiful day. Let's try to share this. Whew, I'm late today. hmm One of my friends came out before because I'm late. Hi guys, hi guys, welcome into my video, my afternoon walk. Welcome, 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 welcome. Oh no, he's right there. My friend is right there. Just look at him. Wait a minute. See him there? He's here. Oops. Oops. He's right there. They're right there. Both of them. Both of them are right there. What is it they're doing? Hmm. What you doing? What you doing? You're having fun in the sunshine? Hmm? Hmm. Having fun. He's having fun. He's having fun. He's having fun. Welcome in, guys. Remember to like the live, share it, and talk to me in the comment section. Ooh, ooh. I get scared, you know, because I wonder how him so tame. I get scared. I'm so tame. Beautiful skies. Jesus, him tame. Watch him. Right there, so. Right there, so, guys. Hmm. 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 What you doing? 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 Keep on doing what you're doing. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's go. It's so beautiful. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Welcome in. Like the live, share the live, and leave me a comment. Comment. It's a beautiful day. It's 60 something degrees. So it's sunshine. It's still a little chilly. So still have to wear my jacket. Not pretending. hmm Like up the live, guys. Like up the live. Like up the live. And come along with me and this afternoon walk. Hear the birds chirping. Conrad and good day. Good day, Conrad. Good day. Welcome in, guys. Like the live, share the live, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Yes. Thank you for coming in. The squirrels are everywhere. There's one there. Look at you looking in the phone. Screw. Look at you looking in the phone. Hmm? What you doing? Hmm? You saying I? I love your tail. Are you saying I? Your tail is beautiful. Guys, look at that pretty tree. Look at that pretty tree. It's spring. Spring is here. Hi. Hi, beauty. Hi, beauty. Welcome in, guys. Be safe and have a wonderful day. It's very beautiful. Yes, thank you. I am safe. Thank you so much. You be safe also. Like the live, share the live, and subscribe. If you're a first timer, please subscribe. If you're a regular, thank you for coming in and supporting my channel. The squirrel is something else. This squirrel is something else. Look at him. He's so tame. You're so tame. It's windy. Every afternoon, we're going to have 10-20 people on the live or whatever amount, and only one person talking. And guys, what about the others? Say hi. Oh, picnic going on the lawn here. People are just on the lawn, relaxing, studying, chatting, eating lunch, and the river is looking beautiful. The sun, it's not but it's chilly. A good thing I wear my jacket and I say I never did I wear it and it's chilly. It's still chilly. Choop, choop, choop. Still chilly, guys. Beautiful and peaceful. Wonder where that carry. I must back around there, so yeah. Yep. It takes it back. It's like a circle. It's like a circle. It's like a circle, guys. Look behind me, it's beautiful. Sky is so blue. Mighty God. The hands of God is working. So beautiful. There are students everywhere. Take back the night, 8:30 p.m. There are people everywhere. On the lawn, in swim top, in swim bottom, lying down on towel, just relaxing, studying, eating. It's so beautiful on the outside. When you are living in this place, you appreciate the sun and the nice weather more. That's why when foreigners come to Jamaica and enjoy themselves, it's worth it because the weather here is so topsy-turvy. The moment you get a little sunshine and a little good weather, you just want to be outside. Yep. But yes, I'm getting my walk in. Them working on the building, they're fast, man. Soon done. Soon finish. That building soon finish. Hi guys, welcome in. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for watching my live. engine. Engine. No, I'm not crashing. Okay. Thank you. There's no sidewalk. There's no sidewalk, guys. There's no sidewalk. Show you the beautiful grounds. The beautiful grounds. Beautiful grounds. Beautiful. Ah. Hi. Beautiful grounds. Whew. To the road on the outside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful grounds. Beautiful. So beautiful. I can't show it all the time because there are students sometimes everywhere. But when there are no students, you have to respect privacy. I'll show you. Okay? Yes. So back on me. If we're going to is a church that? Look like a Catholic church. Looks like one. Hi guys, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Back up live, share the live. Woo, look on the grounds over there, it's beautiful. Woo, so pretty. So pretty. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. And it's been moon. So pretty, guys. Oh, I'm tired. I'm tired. Same man is doggy driving out. Where you spending today? I just want your car penny. Your undercar. Or maybe you change it now. But I just want. Which part I go again? I'm not done this, so. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, like this, sir. I think I can go down this, sir. Kind of puppy. Hi! She's walking out our puppy. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the puppy. Trying to show you the puppy, not the person. Puppy. Puppy. I ain't not seen any comments and I'm seeing people on the live. Guys, say something now. Sun in my eyes. Sun. Hi. People are doing their walks.
No, he's going to be doing that intern.
Okay.
That's for summer. Yeah.
Almost got lit down. Everybody walking out today. It's so beautiful. Everybody walking. Everybody doing the lunch break walk. Look at the beautiful tree, guys. Beautiful trees. Beautiful trees. Beautiful trees. Beautiful, beautiful trees. Ooh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So nice. We could have taken one picture right there, so Jesus. It would have been so nice. It would have been so nice if we could have taken one picture outside. Yeah. We'd have to beg a screenshot picture. Sorry if she can screenshot me. No, she have something in her hand. Not to worry. Hi. Not to worry. She have something in her hand. The man is still in the same place. Same place I left him. In order to go on the road or to go to the river, I have to don't eat and just take the 1 hour.
You're already out and about.
How are you?
Nice.
Yeah, well, she no early, not a minute earlier, so.
Hi.
I'm just logging my miles.
How's things going across the way?
Mm.
Want to walk over?
Yeah.
Everybody logging their miles. Logging their miles for the walk. It's a good walk. So I have 3 minutes left of my lunch hour. So I'm gonna tell you all bye-bye. Jesus, I'm gonna get somebody to just video me somewhere under one of them pretty tree. Yeah. Everybody's just busy. Hear the birds. You want to see the bird, guy? Let me show you the bird in the tree. The bird up in the tree. The bird up in the tree. Can I take a screenshot? Oh, screenshot. Yay! I did. But I did it with the writing. I don't know how to do it without the writing. I don't know how to do it without the writing. But that's cool. Hello.
Hello.
2 minutes to my lunch hour, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me on this trek this afternoon. I will see you again in my next walk, hopefully tomorrow, if no rain. Peace. Peace out, and bye. Bye, guys.